that I have been... Oh no! Oh no! Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hello and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas with Spoonie Stitcher and Critters Crochet. Teresa, Critters Crochet, and I decided to send each other 12 fun little items that we can open each day just for fun. And to get you in the holiday spirit, we are going to share some fun things with you. We are going to share gift ideas. We're going to share some recipes. We're going to share some music you might want to listen to, some movies and TV you might want to watch, and we're going to shout out a channel every single video for the next 12 days. Yes, you will even see us on the weekends. Huh. So I hope you will join us. I will link Teresa's channel down below. My shout out of the day is Teresa at Critters Crochet. No, she didn't know I was going to do that. Teresa is my crazy crochet cohort. She is absolutely delightful. She loves the holidays, so I know her background is going to be great. Mine is working on it. I'm still trying here, but I'm sure Teresa's background looks better than mine. So on Mondays, she likes to just kind of recap the weekend and show you things she's working on. And sometimes she even has a live that afternoon, so make sure you check. On Tuesdays, she's had a couple series going, but of course that's paused for the holidays, so who knows what she's gonna do on Tuesdays. Wednesdays is Battle of the Stitches with Heather at Strings and Threads, and whoever else has joined that month. What they do is they pick a stitch from this book. I have this book. I can't find it, but I own it. Anyway, they have this book right here. I will link it down below if you want to buy it on Amazon. I think it's still on sale. Anyway, they use this book to teach you a stitch, and then they use that stitch and create a project with it. And every single week, they either teach you something or they give you a sneak peek. And then when they're all done, you vote. At the end of the month, you will vote on which project you liked best. And then they will have a live and they give away prizes, and whichever project won is part of the prize package. It's a lot of fun. So go check out their channels for more information on that. Thursdays is another up in the air. She might be doing like her kitchen remodel updates on that day. I don't know. But yes, they are working on her kitchen remodel right now. So that's taking up her life. That plus the holidays. So, you know, schedules are a little lax during holidays because there's a lot going on. And then Fridays, she usually does something really fun. Like she either has something fun that she's bought, or she shows you a fun project, or she has a funny story. So Fridays are just full of fun. And then she doesn't make videos on Saturdays and Sundays, except for this, because that's her family time. But please go check out Teresa's channel. She's a very dear friend of mine. If I tell you to check out a channel, it means that they are very nice people. So go check out a channel, and that is my shout out of the day. I want to get into this box. So Teresa sent me a big box. Eee, I'm so excited. big box for Ron. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay. I tried to pre-cut, but it didn't really work. Oh, of course. So this was supposed to be in my birthday box, but it didn't make it. She got me the Wicked crochet kits. Yes, I will do them, I promise, next year. I might work on them during my break. Oh my goodness, what fun! Okay, there's a card, but let's see the inside of the box, because she worked really hard on this, so. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, alright. Yeah. Ah! Look at that! Okay, now they should all have numbers. This says 1. Okay. Card first. Look how pretty she wrote my name. Oh, I love the little heart. Advice from a ladybug. Spot new opportunities, spend time in your garden, be well-rounded, enjoy the wonders of nature, don't let the small things bug you, keep family close, and be simply beautiful. So Teresa and I we are both big fans of Cass at the Clutterbug, and we know each other's organizing styles. She is a butterfly. I am a ladybug/bee. Every time I take the test, I'm either one or the other. And it's a very complicated thing to be because they are opposites of each other. So my brain, that just tells you what's going on in there, you know? Anyway, she is a butterfly. I am mainly a ladybug, and so, yeah, she sent me ladybug. Thank you. Shannon, I had so much fun putting this gift box together. I hope you have fun opening each item. Love, Teresa. Merry Christmas. Thank you. I am going to have fun. First of all, let's appreciate the ribbon. Look at that. American Honey Mercantile. What could this be? Reminds me of Zaboomafoo, right? Did anybody ever watch that? Who could it be? This animal that I can't see. Can you help me guess this mystery? Ooh. So even though it's one item, there's 2 things inside. Lemon Lavender Not Today Detangling Shower Comb with Hangable Handle. I wonder if Teresa heard my story. So, real quickly, a long time ago, I had a shower comb that I was in love with. I think I got it from Sephora, and they don't make it anymore. I still have mine. It's old, but I still have mine because they do not make it anymore. And I was really frustrated because I couldn't find, they had others, you know, and I couldn't find one that actually didn't pull on my hair. So I am really excited to try this because I'm wondering if I told her that story, because I might have. I don't remember, but yay! So this says, prevent post-shower frizz and make your hair care go the distance with our handy wide-tooth detangling comb. Its oversized design gently eases out the knots while evenly distributing your conditioner or hair mask for your soft, silky locks without a salon. Gentle detangling evenly distributes conditioner and perfect for textured hair. I'm so excited! Thank you! Yay! If you want to see what I got Teresa, you're gonna have to go to her video, link down below. But don't go yet, we're not done. I have an advent calendar I haven't told any of you about that I have been It's been so hard not to open this. And Teresa, you're gonna love this. It's been sitting right there. Can you read it? It's Muppet Christmas Carol. And it looks like a giant storybook. Look at that. There's even pages. Like it looks like pages. I am so excited. Okay, so my mother and I have a fall birthday, and this was our birthday gift to ourselves. It was not inexpensive, but it's Muppets. And Muppet Christmas Carol is probably my favorite version of a Christmas Carol ever. Yeah, probably is. And this is just so delightful. So we're gonna open up one every day. And there's lots of stickers and stuff. One moment, please. Okay. I have not seen inside. I have just taken off the little tapes, but I did not look inside. So we're gonna experience it together. I'm so excited. Ah! Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. And you've got Jacob and Robert Marley down here as the door knockers. The Christmas penguin skating party. And they really are skating. Okay, are there any other? I feel like I'm supposed to know this figure, but I don't. I don't know. Okay, anyway. Are you ready? Door number 1. Oh, what a great one to start with. Okay, I'm gonna move this back. There we go. Okay. Woo. It's Bob Cratchit. Well, it's Kermit as Bob Cratchit. Oh, he is darling. Look at his little flippers. He's posed in this little hello kind of pose. So cute. Oh, he's adorable. And his little hat. Ooh, what's his hat made out of? Really silky kind of material. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the embroidery. His mouth is embroidered. His eyes are embroidered. There's a print on his scarf, but it's not messy. There's a wee bit of stuffing coming out right here, like one little stitch, but it'll be okay. It's a Disney licensed product with their annoyingly long tags. He is so cute. Okay, so I don't know what to do. I want to like have them out each day. Do I put them on top? Can he sit on top? Like that? I don't know. I have to figure out how to like pose them because I want to keep them out, you know, so they keep collecting each day. So I have to figure it out. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments because I just don't know. But I love him. Okay, so what is it? After all, there's only one more sleep till Christmas. He's so cute. It's gonna be hard to top. It is. Unless there's Rizzo, who doesn't like have any merch anymore, so I'd be really excited if Rizzo was in there. He's so cute. So there's 12, and that's why I decided to do them during this, because there's exactly 12, and we have 12 days, so yeah. Exciting! For today's movie recommendation, I recommend Rankin and Bass, Nestor the Long-Eared Christmas Donkey. If you've never seen this adorable tale, I highly recommend it. It's the story of the Nativity told through the eyes of the donkey. But this was long before the movie The Star ever came out. And it's got a fun little twist on it too. So I highly recommend watching this one. And for your music recommendation for today, please listen to Tennessee Christmas by Amy Grant. Whenever I turn on this song, it is the first song of her Christmas album, which I grew up with. So when this song plays, it is officially Christmas season for me. I haven't turned it on quite yet because I'm not right there, but hopefully I will be by the time you see this. Okay, so we're either going to share a gift idea or a recipe. Well, this isn't really a recipe, but it's something really fun you can do. Cinnamon roll trees. Have you seen this? It's really cute. You unroll the just regular Pillsbury cinnamon dough, you unroll it, and then you kind of squiggle it so that it looks like a Christmas tree, and then you bake it, and then you take it out and you ice it, and you can decorate it, do all kinds of things to it. Here's the ones I tried. Give it a try, let me know. I thought it was kind of fun. Thank you so much for being here today. I have another video that's really important coming out today, and that is all about holiday safety. Being safe online, being safe while shopping, and being safe with textiles. Highly recommend. It's a very important watch, especially today because it's Cyber Monday. Thank you so much for being here today. I can't wait to see you tomorrow, and we'll see what's inside door number 2 and package number 2. Remember to check out Teresa's channel. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!